Bamya, as it's called in Arabic, or Bamias, as it's called in Greek, or okra, as it's called in English. So many names for such a nutrient-dense vegetable. Now, vegetable fruit, we'll see. It does have small seeds, so the debate is out there. But the question remains, why is it so important to include that in our diet? Well, first of all, okra is very rich in vitamin C and vitamin A. It's also very high in antioxidants. All of these, plus the magnesium and other nutrients in it, allow it to be such a nutrient-rich ingredient. Now, it is cooked in many cuisines. You can find it in Indian cuisines, you can find it as a salad, and we're going to make it into a Greek stew today. So follow us to the kitchen and we will be making okra like Greek stew. If you have any suggestions of what to add to it, we know some people make it with chicken, we know other people make it with meat. We're making it a vegan version, but if you have other suggestions for vegan versions, just write it below and we would love to know what you do it or how you do it or what you use with it. See you guys in the kitchen, let's go. So I'm just adding the oil to melt. We will fry the onions until they're slightly caramelized. So I cooked it for about 15 minutes. I would suggest you leave yours 15-20 minutes maybe. But I have to admit, my favorite part of the whole dish are the fried lemons. I just had a hint of that when I had the previous bite, and that is just amazing. So probably next time I make this, I'm going to be adding even more sliced lemon. So I'm rewarded with more lemons to eat afterwards. However, I do like something that's sour or bitter, so maybe this would not appeal for everyone, but for me, I'm definitely doubling the amount of lemons involved. Enjoy guys, and see you in the next recipe next week. Bye! Start over.